Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX IO. This boat has the quantum blue hull color with the sport graphics on the side. Looks incredible, great looking boat out on the water. Awesome new color combination for Sea Ray. So we approach the back of the boat here. You can see it is equipped with the sea deck on the swim platform. Nice option, very comfortable under your feet, easy to clean and maintain, and looks great as well. Getting up onto the boat, you can see the nice sun pad area here on the back, great for hanging out, watching the kids in the water if you're out at a sandbar, or putting any skis or water sports equipment on. You can see the sea deck does continue down into the boat, and then it transitions into the infinity woven flooring, which is the charcoal color, gray color to match the stone interior. Looks great with that quantum blue hull color we just looked at. As you can see here, nice wraparound seating in the back, able to accommodate lots of family and friends. Fusion's speakers here on the side with the safety grab rail, and then another seat here on the port side as well. Cup holders are nicely placed, no trip hazards. Again, the safety grab rail there. You can see the bolsters on the side. Very safe, very comfortable boat. A lot of fun to drive, very sporty. Able to enjoy that time on the water with your friends and family. Over here at the helm, see the throttle controls there for the MerCruiser engine, as well as your gauges up at the front. That's the depth gauge there on the right hand side, so it does have a transducer that gives you your depth, water depth that you're currently at. Fusion stereo right there. Again, I pointed out those speakers, and then your buttons for your bilge and lights, anchor lights, nav lights, all that. Nice big ski locker under my feet right here. Able to store life jackets, skis, fenders, whatever you need, all the equipment that you have. Another nice storage compartment over here. Moving into the bow of the boat, nice large seating area. Again, there's those Fusion speakers, great sound system on this boat, and there's safety grab rails. Sea Ray really pays attention to the safety. They know you're going to have your family aboard and kids, and they really give that focus for a nice, safe, comfortable ride. Pan around here again. Nice full windshield across. That door does close when you're underway. Gives you that nice resistance if you are in any cooler conditions or anything like that. And then just a great seating layout for your captain and co-captain's chairs with the flip-up bolsters, and then back into the cockpit. So thank you for taking that walkthrough with me of the brand new 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX IO. If you'd like to see this boat in person, schedule an appointment. You can give us a call at MarineMax in Somers Point at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.